Manipurgi Teritorial Integrated Thugainaba Hotnarakpa Karigumba Hiram Amatada Bjpna compromise Touroi amadi Mapalamdagi Manipurda Sangsilakpa illegal infiltration sing athingba thamduna action laugani haina BJP North East in charge Dr. Sambit Patrana Fongdokre Manipurgi oirakliba political crisis asina maram oiraga N Biren Singh na Chief Minister phamdagi resign tawkhraba matung ngarang India gi President Draupadi Murmuna gazette thoktuna Manipurda Article 356 of the Indian Constitution gi makhada Manipurda President rule thamkhibaga loinana Manipur Legislative Assembly suspended animation da thamkraba matung BJP North East in charge Dr. Sambit Patra amadi news agency amaga hakthengnana unaba amada mahakna Manipurda President rule chanarabasu kanagumba amatana Manipurgi Territorial Integrity Thugainaba Hotnarakpa Karigumba Hiram Amatada BJP na compromise Touroi amadi mapalamdagi Manipurda sangsilakpa illegal infiltration sing athingba thamduna action laugani loinana Manipurda athubada santi hanjilaknaba honagani haina fongdokhi.
After the report by the Honorable Governor of Manipur, the Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmuji, has put the Assembly of Manipur, the State Assembly of Manipur, under suspended animation, meaning that the Assembly of the state can be revived on a future date as and when the President of India deems fit depending on the circumstances in the state. As far as BJP is concerned, we are committed to the continuing efforts of peace in the state and most importantly to maintain the territorial integrity of Manipur. I repeat, there would be no compromise with the territorial integrity of Manipur. BJP also firmly stands for the fact that any kind of illegal infiltration into Manipur will not be allowed and will be dealt with severe hand.